Hello YouTubers, beer geeks, and beer hounds alike. Bill here. We're going to do a beer review. This one is by Belching Beaver, and it's called Hazy IPA. Hazers Gonna Haze. It comes in at 6.6% alcohol by volume. That's what the can looks like. Okay. Excuse me. It says, at the Beeve, we love hazy IPAs, so we decided to introduce a year-round hazy style full of juicy awesomeness. Hazers Gonna Haze will be a rotating hop series and will showcase new hop combinations throughout the year. Same label, different hop profiles. We love craft beer, and making new styles is what it's all about. We are fans of hazy IPAs, and we hope Hazers Gonna Haze will make you fans too. Cheers, Tom. Hell yeah, man. Variety is the spice of life. No doubt about that. So this is a nice addition to the Belching Beaver lineup, which I will be enjoying because hazies and New England styles are my favorite styles. So this is pretty cool. They're from Oceanside, California. I've never seen this beer. I've never heard of it before. Nothing. Again, that's what the label looks like. It's pretty cool. So let's get it cracked open and see what we got here. Let's see if there's a date. 7/21/20. So it's less than a month old. So it's pretty darn fresh. It says damn good times on the side. Cool. It's a neat can. Just shows literally a couple of cats getting hammered together, and one of them's dumping beer on the other one's head, and they're hazing out. Getting pretty hazy over there, and pretty crazy. I just did a Belching Beaver beer the other day, another hazy one, and it was really good actually. So far, Belching Beaver has been doing pretty good on the hazies, in my opinion. All the other beers I've had from them are not super memorable, but so far the two hazies that I've had from Belching Beaver have been pretty memorable, pretty damn good. Doesn't list the IBUs. Excuse me. Store cold, drink cold. Hazers Gonna Haze. That's short for haters gonna hate. Hazers Gonna Haze. It is hot down here in California, Orange County, California today. So I'm looking a little shiny on camera, but it's hot. So this will be a nice refreshing beer. Last train home. Alright, let that calm down for a minute. Alright, let's get an aroma on this. Well, actually, let's see how hazy this puppy is. It's pretty hazy. Barely see the sharpness of the light through it. It almost looks like a New England style, but it's not quite thick enough in my opinion for that, so I think it's just a hazy IPA. Because you can't see the sharpness right there. So I think if it was a real New England style, you wouldn't be able to see the sharpness of the light through it, just because I think New England style, to me, this just looks like hazy or unfiltered, but it doesn't quite look like orange juice in the glass. Not quite there. Not quite that hazy. You can't see, kind of see through it a little bit there. Let's see if we can get the rest of it in there. Hazers Gonna Haze from Oceanside, California, Belching Beaver. Alright, let's get an aroma on this puppy. Well, it's got kind of a foamy head. It's kind of loose looking, a little silky, a little creamy, but pretty foamy too. It's a kind of a light orange color, or like a light amber, hazy amber color. Yeah, the aroma is like tropical hop notes up front. Not like wafting off it, but it's pretty good aroma. It's not super strong smelling. Get a little breadiness coming through also. Little malt breadiness coming through. Light citrusy tropical notes. That's pretty much what I got on the aroma. Let's get a hit. Cheers. Pretty good. Taste follows the aroma. It's got a little bit of earthy spice hop in there. Definitely picking up like a bread note. Almost like a toast note. A white bread toast. The citrusy notes that I'm kind of picking up, it's kind of a medley. Nothing really defined, but I'd say more on the little oranges, maybe a little pineapple, but it's nothing standing out like on its own. It's just kind of a blend of some kind of tropical hop notes, fruit notes. Yeah, nothing defined though. It's pretty well balanced. It's got a medium mouthfeel. It's a nice balance of the malt, the sweetness from the malt, and then the kind of tropical fruitiness of the hops. It's pretty well balanced, pretty tasty. It's refreshing. It's very hot today, so it's tasting real good right now. It's first beer of the day. I slept in today. I didn't get off work till midnight, and I was up till about 4 trying to knock out with beer. Finally got to sleep and woke up around noon. A little hangover, so went back to bed and woke up at about 3 and got up and decided to do a beer review. Cheers. You know what they say, best way to get rid of a hangover is hair of the dog. Have another beer. It works. Cheers. Yeah, it's just got some nice citrusy tropical hop notes in there with the nice malt backbone. I don't think it's to the New England style. Not quite to the New England style, in my opinion. If it is considered New England, I would call it New England, like a New England light. It's not quite tropical dank enough to be like a legit New England style, in my opinion. Yeah, that bready kind of cracker notes coming through pretty good. Very slight chalkiness. But it is a very tasty, well-constructed hazy IPA. I picked this up in a 4-pack at Total Wine & More, 4 pints at Total Wine & More for about $12 out the door. So I'm going to pause it for a second, and then I'll drink it down and we'll get right back to you. Okay, I'm back. Yeah. This beer is pretty good. It's a little thin, a little watery, not quite dank enough. Okay, sorry about that. So anyways, it's a little watery, a little thin, but it's got some good flavor. Final sip here. So on a scale of 1 to 5 stars, I'm going to give this puppy a 4 stars out of 5. It's pretty tasty, not too bad. And 4 stars it is. That's my story. I'm sticking with it. And I'll have the description of this at the bottom of the video in the description section. Please like and subscribe. I much appreciate that. Give this puppy a horns up, and y'all have an awesome day. See ya.